So this is just going to be a quick unboxing of the Black & Decker mouse. Most DIY stores in the UK sell this. It's also on Amazon, usually ranging between £30 and £40. Now, actually Argos of all places have the best price on this at the minute. I paid £22 for this today. It's on offer, something like £10 or £15 off. Maybe £20, I'm not sure, I'd have to double check, but yeah, 22 quid is an absolute bargain when you consider it's meant to come with all this. So it's not going to be a review. I'm not going to review its performance. There's plenty of videos out there about that. It's just going to be an unboxing to show what you get. I know a lot of people are going cordless, but I'm not for this, and the reason being is if you check my Parkside vacuum cleaner review, I've essentially got I don't need cordless, because the Parkside vacuum, it has a power socket on it, so I can basically wheel that up to the wall or whatever I'm sanding, plug this straight in, and then when I turn this on, it will turn the vacuum cleaner on automatically, and then I can just run the pipe from this to the vacuum, which is a really neat and clean solution. So yeah, the other thing with battery is you have to charge it, obviously, and generally speaking, these battery power tools are going to be less powerful than their corded counterparts. So let's get it open anyway. And as per usual, Lily insists on being on the video, so there she is. So this is everything you get in the box, excluding the dog. So yeah, you get this kind of cheap bag, which I guess you can throw everything inside, including the tool. So looking at the accessories first, you get this. This is basically like a piece of Scotch-Brite, really. So this will be good for polishing metal. That's what it recommends in the manual. You got this one, which is even coarser. So yeah, that'll be like rust removal from metal and things of that nature. And then you have these three normal sandpaper attachments. That looks to be 80, I think, on there. No, that's 100. And then you've got 80 there, and I think, it's hard to tell, maybe 120 or 130. So it's cool that they throw these in. You can get packs of these very cheaply on Amazon. So that's all good. Then you have your extractor pipe here. So this is one of the main reasons I wanted this unit, because as I said, I can hook up the hose from this end to the Parkside vacuum. So it's just going to extract all the dust and create much less mess. Looking at the unit here, it's quite small. My hand's like probably a medium size. Feels nice in the hand, feels well made. There's your air port on the back there to plug that tube in. One of the other major reasons I wanted this particular unit, which not all of them have, is if you look here, if you unscrew this, you can offer this one up to it and then put the screw back in, and you've got this finger extension basically, which I really wanted because I'm moving house soon. So when I move in, there's going to be a hell of a lot of screw holes in the plasterboard from where they had pictures and shelves and stuff. So if I just do a whole room or the whole house, filling all of those holes, and then let it dry overnight, when it comes to sanding, I'd be there all day with a sanding block doing it manually. Whereas with this, I can just screw that onto the end there and just sand the filled hole just with this finger attachment, so you don't end up sanding too wide of an area as you might do otherwise. So this is just ideal for sanding really small areas where you don't need all of this surface area here. So yeah, initial impressions, all really good. I mean, 22 quid, you really can't complain with all the stuff you get with it. So, and then that's just like a hook and loop, just sticks straight on. I think the power cord is 4 meters, but I'd have to double check. So yeah, if you subscribe to the channel, you'll definitely be seeing me use this when I do actually move house and start doing the DIY, and then you'll see how it all works in unison with the Parkside wet and dry vac. So yeah, hope this helps. Cheers.